Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the status project report template. So how your which template you should use to report your project status to higher management. So this is the first slide you can see. In the first slide, you should mention your company name and then RP project updates or RP project status, you can say. So if you are going to show the status weekly, then you can in period you can mention the weekly period like. As for example, I have given the 26th October to 31st October. Okay, this is the 1 week status of the projects. So now you can see the all the projects, whatever project you currently you have, that you can show in different template. Like two kind of project you may have in your project. In this template, you can show your write the company name in a header, company name, RP project status, and the columns should be like projects, what are the project is there in the first column. You can see process 1, process 2, process 3, and status, solution design, development, unit testing, system testing, and UAT. This is the project plan. You can give it to here what was the your planned days for each and every task, and what the actual days you have worked, and what is the progress, and what variance you have got, and the status of this each and every phase. So you can mention like this, and different way also directly. If you put the directly only the days, how many days you are working, so you can do that, but this is the better way you can show to your higher management. Then the next here you can see that one column is risk or issue. If any risk, then you can mention that risk or issue, and the remarks you can. During the project, if that project got delayed, the reason you can mention in the delay, and right, you can see that here I mentioned that delay of the project. So this way you can mention. So this template you can use to report, show the project status to the higher management. Okay, so guys, so this is the same. So the two way I was talking about the two way, one those you have two type of project: a regular project and the project which is already you have deployed in production. So these are the ongoing projects, regular projects. You can show the status weekly to your higher management. And I'm going to share you the production one. You can see the first header is XYZ company name and the production RP project status. These are the production RPA projects. So here on the same like a project name, you can mention in the first column all the project, what are the based specific for the specific project. You can mention the status, whether it is in production and all. But this slide is for the production, so that's what I kept the all the statuses on production, and then every phase has got done, all is marked done because it already gone to production. And the warranty period status also some like you can see that these three have closed the warranty period, means finished the warranty period, and the warranty period is P14 and 15 is in work in progress, means it is in still it is in warranty period. So, and the remark you can mark it, whatever the remark you have, you can mention here. So in this way you can do this. And this again, these all are the production RP projects. You can mention the status of all these projects. Next is the Upcoming project, you can mark it is in this way, like project name, whatever the project is upcoming. So like P1, P2, P3, P4, all this, and who is taking, who will taking care of these projects, like different project manager can assign to this project, upcoming project. If any of the project have decided to this developer need to be work, will work, so you can mention the name, otherwise you can kept it as a TBD. And the current status of the upcoming project, what is the current status, is high level effort estimation done, or discovery, it is in discovery phase, or what designing phase you can mention, or the requirement gathering is work in progress, you can mention here the current status. And the start date, system testing, UAT date, and production date, and update for the day. So these are the day. These are the column you can mention your comments on it. Okay, so now coming the next slide. This slide is about the risk and issues. During your project activity, multiple projects, suppose you are working on, and you have, you may have multiple risk and issues. So you need to mention here to report to your higher management, so that each and every risk and every action issue you can mention here in the first column, and to whom it is assigned to, you can mention those, like for a specific risk or issue assigned to this guy, and identified on, you can mention when it was identified, and what is the target date for resolution, and status, whether it is open or closed, and what mitigation plan you have chosen, and any comment. Like for this one, first one, you have seen, you can see that project P1 went live on 17th July. Okay, that is a comment, and if you have any uh, because it is closed, that's why it has already gone to production. If you have, if you, any project or process have any other comments, and what are the mitigation action you have taken, so you can mention here. So as a template, you can only consider right now just first header, like risk or action item, and assigned to, identified on, target date, status, and mitigation and comments. So this is the important you need to consider. So now the next slide is for the resource projection. In this template, you can see the in the header, the role uh, for you are working as a vendor, and you have a team, and your team, how many project manager is there, or how many architect is working, and how many developer is working. Month wise you can report, you can show to the your higher management. Okay, and next slide is for the opportunity detail. You can see the header, that as a template you can consider the header, like opportunity detail. Second column is assigned to, third column is identified on, and the next column is the status, then next step and comment. What will be the next step and comment? So opportunity detail is, suppose adding of QA resource for XYZ company. Okay, so adding a QA resource, building COE tool for the XYZ company, and the NLP team is introducing the NLP team, and when it is to whom it is assigned to, you can mention market here, and identified on which month or the date. You can specifically mention the date instead of giving the month name of the month, and the status, what is, whether it is open, whether it is closed, or a work in progress, and the comments you can put it here. And the opportunity detail closed, which are the open and the work in progress, And same here also, you can like adding of the business analyst resources, and like production support for the vendor company delivered project, and referral to the XYG business services. They assign to their identified on the status and the next step. Though basically you need to consider the template. So whenever you are going to report any report of your project, all the project to your senior manager or the higher management, you can take it. You can create the report in this way. So this is how you can present your project status report to higher management. So thank you all. And if you like this video, please subscribe and share my videos. I will create another video. Thank you very much.